This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. A beautiful brick home in a quiet neighborhood that has recently been remodeled. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an open floor plan. The kitchen has granite countertops, double 9-inch deep sinks, and stainless steel appliances. The home has a large master bedroom. The master bath has a new large walk-in shower with a bench seat. The second and third bedrooms are connected by a Jack and Jill bath. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.